Hi, I'm Lindsay, and today we're testing home hacks with Sears Home Services. There are a ton of hacks out there, but do they actually work? You don't have to risk damaging your cabinets to find out. Today we're testing 3 hacks to see what works and what doesn't work. So for the first hack, all you'll need is a walnut. This hack is that walnuts can remove scratches from any hardwood surfaces in your home, so your floors, or today we're going to test it out on your cabinets. And just to note, these can be toxic to dogs, so just be careful if you're testing this hack not to leave them laying around. To test this first hack, we're going to make a few scratches on this cabinet and see if it actually works. So all you're going to do is rub the walnut on there, and it's actually filling it in pretty well. So I'd say this one works. The second hack is using a combination of baking soda and vegetable oil to create a paste to get rid of that greasy gunk on your cabinets. So to test this one out, we literally gunked out this cabinet, held it over a stove cooking, and so you can see it's all speckled and covered in grease and food residue, and so we're gonna create this paste to see if it actually works. All you're gonna need is some baking soda and vegetable oil. So we're just gonna take 2 parts baking soda to 1 part vegetable oil. Mix this up to create a little paste. Once you have your paste, we are just going to take a toothbrush and dip that into your mixture and then scrub that on your greasy cabinet. Alright, so once you're done cleaning your cabinet, you can tell already that it seems like it's working. This toothbrush is super brown and greasy and gunky, so it looks like this one's working so far. So now we're gonna wipe it away and see how it looks. This is the one tip I was a little skeptical of, but all that grease and residue is gone, and this one was a success. This third hack is using coconut oil to make dull cabinets shine. So all you'll need for this one is just a little bit of coconut oil, and this can be used for so many different things, but we're gonna test it today to see if it actually works to polish dull cabinets. Hack number 3 was another success. Just keep in mind with this one, a little bit goes a long way with the coconut oil. Alright, so all these home hacks actually worked. We're 3 for 3. So comment down below letting us know which one you're going to try out and if you have any other home hacks that you'd like us to test out in our next video. Thanks for watching!